Hi everybody, so today we are going to make a matzah cake, and it's especially for Passover, of course, and everybody can make it by himself, and maybe you will need a little bit your mommy or daddy's help. So first of all, what we need for it? We need a cup of water, we need a whipping cream, and we need about 20 oz of chocolate chip. I chose the dark chocolate. And of course, the main thing that we need is a pack of matzah. And now we'll start. We'll start with the chocolate. So we put all the chocolate chips in a bowl. This is my bowl. And this is the chocolate chip. And we put it on in the bowl. Inside the bowl, I will put also the whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. Shake it a little bit. I will make sure that it covers all the chocolate. And now all this I'm going to put in a microwave for 5 minutes. While it's getting heat over there, I will continue with my matzah. Now, the whole idea is to make layers of matzah. I will need to wet the matzah a little bit, so I take the water and I put it in a different pan that can hold water. Later I'm going to dip the matzah in the water so the matzah will become softer. Now, I'm taking a baking pan. This is my baking pan. Okay? And I will put the first layer of matzah. I'm taking one matzah, dipping it in the water that I just put, and just wet like this, I put it in the pan. And if I have leftovers, because my pan, I took a big one, a big pan, do you see? So I need one more matzah to cover the rest of the pan, the rest of the base of the pan. So I took another matzah, we'll put it next to it. Now it covers all the bottom of the pan. Okay, now it's ready. Hopefully it's ready. Take it out. It's supposed to be hot, so you have to be careful. Oh, it's too hot. I need my towel to hold it. Okay, here it is. Now I have to mix it. Be careful, it's hot. In the beginning it's a little bit hard to mix, but then don't give up. It takes time until all the chocolate is melted. And don't make a mess. Still not ready. It has to be the same color all over. Same dark color of chocolate. Okay, I think it's ready. Chocolate is ready to work with. Now when my chocolate is ready, I'm going to put in the pan one layer of matzah, and on top of it a layer of chocolate. And again, matzah, chocolate, matzah. So remember, I have the first layer of wet matzah that I made before. Now I will put the first layer of chocolate. I'm taking chocolate from the bowl, put it on and spread it all around like this. Make sure that everything is covered with chocolate. Give any parts without chocolate, otherwise it will be too wet, too dry later and not so yummy to eat. So you have to cover all of it. Okay, perfect. You see? Now I'm going to put the second layer of matzah. My cake now is that high, you see? And I'm ready for my last layer of matzah and last layer of chocolate. Okay, remember that the chocolate must be last. It must cover the top of the cake. And that's it. My cake is ready actually. If you want, you can add some sprinkles on top. I will put only some, not too many. I make a frame. I make a shape of a frame to my cake. I don't want my sprinkles to be all over. Nice, isn't it? And now all what you have to do is let it rest in the refrigerator, and it will be ready in a couple of hours. Bon appetit, and hope your staying at home will be full of chocolate. Bye.